Trina, wala ka magmahal sa aming desisyon. You have exceeded my expectations. You cared for me well, and you cared for me then as well. You're very supportive, and you're the best father for Ethan.
Amin yan gano'n.
Our love story is not a typical love story I imagined, but still, it's my favorite. We dated short, no fancy gifts, no surprises, no fancy dates at night, but instead, you influenced me to be in touch with nature, brought me to moonlight gazing, and sunset viewing and a lot more, which I have never experienced before. I have always been grateful to God for giving me you and for giving me the courage to submit to you. On this day, I give my promise to encourage you, to cherish you, to care for you as long as I